Alright, we've set up the receiver here. We've got a plate, we've got it clamped against, so it's sitting at 90 degrees. And the mount's clamped in position. We've got our bushing ready to start drilling, so we can go right down through the bushing and put a pilot hole in the middle for the first screw. Then we'll use the first screw, and we'll actually complete the job on the first screw. We'll use then thread the hole and put the screw in there, and that will help us clamp the mount in position to do the second hole. We've put a 4.5mm drill here now to enlarge the pilot hole. Okay, it's set up in the vise now, so we can have good access to this screw hole. We're starting out with our starting tap that's got the taper on the end of it, and we've got some tapping lubricant on there as well. So we'll start on this hole. Get it nice and square. Because it's a fine thread, we have to be extra careful with it. Okay, we can get right over the hole. You can see it's got a nice thread in it, and it's perfectly centered. Let's just try the screw in there, see if it's going to fit. Going in perfect, look at that. Oops. Look at that, perfect fit.